But okay, so basically this is weekly outlooks, like looking at what the charts, like how the charts are starting for the week. Okay, yeah, so for the monthly, for silver, we've hit monthly for value gap right there. We're currently rejecting it, respecting it. And if we look on the weekly, nothing really there. Look on the daily. We could have used this daily for value gap to get down to the monthly. We could have entered off of it, using the monthly fair value gap as our target. But yeah, right now we're in a I'd say an opposing daily fair value gap, because we've just tapped the monthly. Basically, we're just waiting for 4 hour order flow to switch to 4 hour fair value gaps to be respected. One, maybe two, yeah. And this looks pretty obvious now. It looks pretty obvious that we could have used the daily right here. But what were some of the signs? Like, what were some signs that this daily fair value gap would have brought us down to the monthly? Okay, first of all, bearish daily. It's a bearish daily for value gap. There's a monthly right below us. There's nothing really pushing us higher, not really. And if there's a huge magnet down over here in the monthly fair value gap, of course we're gonna drop down to it and continue higher. So yeah, pretty bullish for silver. Gold was sort of the same, rejecting all, like we had no monthly, or well, we did have a monthly fair value gap, but it was way down over here. It didn't really get down to it. We were rejected off of weekly fair value gap. It's kind of weird. It wasn't very clean. If we look down to the 4 hour, yeah, it wasn't like super clean or anything. Like no real entries, unless maybe you could have gone involved over here. I don't know. Don't know if you would have liked to do that, to have done that. But yeah, gold was pretty much the same as silver, just just a little, like, not as clean. Silver was like stupidly clean. Boom, monthly fair value gap. Boom, daily fair value gap right there. Daily to the monthly, like literally baby food, bro. Like easy. Well, for gold now, it's still very bullish, super high probability. As there's no resistance past this liquidity leg right there. There's no resistance at all. We can just continue up until the high over there. So yeah, very high probability. As for USD CHF, we can see there's no fun. We're in the third candle for a monthly fair value gap. Me, I'm not knowledgeable enough. Don't really know what if we're in the third candle really means. Should probably brush up on some videos. Yeah, over here we hit a weekly fair value gap, respected. But as you can see on the daily, and even more so on the 4 hour, has been consolidating. Don't really know why, but basically that just tells me probably not going to be even looking at that this week. Probably just going to look at it middle of the week, end of the week. Maybe not even the middle, maybe just the end or the start of next week. But yeah, probably just going to not look at USD CHF, not looking like it's very high probability, or at least not as high probability as silver and gold are. GBP USD. Okay. Excuse me, sorry. We have a weekly fair value gap over here. We hit it, failed to reject. Now we're waiting for this liquidity leg to be swept. Literally as simple as that. It's literally it. This is our target, like literally. But that's it. Boom. If we look on, it's looking very promising actually. Yeah, just waiting for the liquidity leg to be swept. Euro, literally the same. Waiting for liquidity leg to be swept. Weekly fair value gap has been tapped. Waiting for the liquidity leg to be swept. And yeah, Euro JPY, super high probability. Like if we look on the monthly, nothing really happening. Weekly, nothing really happening. But it's super high probability. Well, that's was like dying. We've respected this daily fair value gap. Literally no resistance run, bro. This is our target. That high is the target. So super high probability this week. And literally the same for CHF JPY. We'd probably trade Euro before CHF, simply because we have a target on Euro compared to CHF JPY hitting all-time highs. But yeah, that's about it. That's my analysis for the week. Hope you guys have a great trading week. Me personally, I'm not trading until start of March, or maybe middle of March even, because that's when I'm gonna go for my first funded account on FTMO. I'm gonna be taking you along for that journey as well. And yeah, that's about it.